We'll guide you through how to remove black background in Photoshop. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because removing black backgrounds is weirdly a daily struggle for anyone doing design, thumbnails, or content. To remove a black background in Photoshop, begin by opening the application on your computer. Once it loads, click Create New to start a fresh project. You can name the project anything you like, since it will not affect the editing process. Next, set the project size, for example 1920 by 1080 pixels, which is a common resolution for screens. After adjusting the dimensions, press Enter to confirm and create the canvas. Now import the image you want to edit by clicking File, then Open, and selecting your image file. Once the image opens, drag it onto your canvas so it appears as a layer. To remove the black background, right-click on the eraser tool in the toolbar and choose the background eraser tool. Adjust the eraser size as needed, for example, setting it to 300 pixels for broader areas. Then change the limits option to discontiguous so it removes only similar colors. Set the sampling option to once, which locks the initial color sample. After that, adjust the tolerance to 75% to control how much color variation is erased. Now, carefully click and drag over the black background to remove it. Continue until the unwanted areas are gone. When finished, click New Layer to add a background layer. Drag this new layer below your image layer in the Layers panel. Next, choose Solid Color and pick any color you want for the background. Finally, save your project by pressing Ctrl+S, or export it by going to File, selecting Export, and choosing Export as PNG. This format keeps the background transparent if needed and preserves image quality for most uses. If you notice any leftover edges or dark spots, you can go back and gently refine them using the same background eraser tool with a smaller brush size.